to do a short video on how to remove a stump that's in your way when you're ditching. You can't use the ditching bucket because it bends it. It's stuck in there too good, you gotta pry against the ground and use leverage to pop the stump out. Set them off to the side so we can come back and move them later. Get rid of them. I like to go on each side and take the roots out. Helps you get it out of there. Then you try to get underneath of it. There she went. That was the easy one. A video how I get rid of stumps.